All right, the title in the thumbnail says it all. We about to step your breakfast up with these breakfast enchiladas and sausage gravy. Man, get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, so let's go over our ingredients real quick. Back here we have our sausage in these two dishes, one for our filling and the other for our gravy. We have milk, we have eggs, I have flour tortillas here. You can use corn tortillas as well. We have salt and pepper in these 4 dishes, butter in these 2 dishes, we have some cheese, and we have flour. So that's all you're gonna need. Let's get to it. So to get started, we're gonna prepare our sausage. We're gonna prepare the one for the filling first, and then the one for the gravy second. So we're gonna go in with our sausage right here. All right, so now it looks like we're good with our sausage. We got it brown. We want to make sure it's cooked all the way through. I'm going to remove it. I'm going to add it here to a bowl real quick. And I'm just going to cook the sausage for the gravy. I'm not going to show you that. We're just going to be repeating the same things. So we're just going to skip that part and we're going to head into the next step. All right, so now that we've browned our sausage, we're going to go in with our eggs. We're going to hit that with a little black pepper, some salt. And we're gonna get these babies scrambled to our desire. I like mine scrambled a little hard. Once our eggs are scrambled the way we like them, I'm gonna go in with my butter there. We're gonna go back in with our sausage for the filling. Guys, I called the audible like I normally do. I chopped up some hash browns. We're gonna add them, and we're gonna add our cheese. And we're gonna get this mixed all in till that cheese melts and everything is well combined. All right, so once you got that mixed in, that cheese is melted, we're gonna turn our heat off. We're gonna set this aside, and now we're gonna head over to our cutting board. So now we're gonna start building out our enchiladas. We're gonna take some of our mixture, we're gonna add it here to the center. This is like a half a cup right here. And we're just gonna roll that baby tightly like this. Just tuck it back in, roll it tightly as possible. If some fall out, like it just did, you just stuff it back in there. We're gonna put this baby right in here. Now, well, let me do something real quick. So I'm gonna hit this with a little butter, grease the bottom of it with a little butter, just so that that tortilla doesn't stick to the bottom. Now we're gonna place this baby seam side down, right here, just like that. And we're just gonna do the remaining the same way. Get you about a half a cup, or however much filling you want. Add it here to the center. I think half a cup is enough, but of course you can make it as big as you want. It's totally up to you. Fold it, tuck it, and start wrapping it as tight as you can. If some falls out, just put it back in. It's no big deal, just like that. Let's finish up the rest of them and we're gonna come back. Now that we rolled all our enchiladas, we're gonna head over to our stove and prepare our sausage gravy. All right, so now we're gonna take our cooked sausage, we're gonna add it here to our pot. You just need a small saucepan for this. And we're just gonna let our sausage heat back up just a little. Once it heats up, we're gonna go in with our flour. Just gonna sprinkle that flour in here like that. And we're gonna get it mixed in until the flour is absorbed and disappears. Then you're gonna gradually add your milk while whisking it. Allowing the mixture to thicken up. We're gonna go in with our salt, our pepper, and continue to whisk this up. We're gonna let that come to a simmer. It's gonna start bubbling, and that mixture is gonna start to thicken up. All right, so it looks like we're good. You see how that sauce thickened up? Well, you can't see it now, but look at that. There's some good old gravy right here. Now that that mixture has thickened up, let's move back over to our cutting board. So now we're gonna take that gravy we just prepared and we're gonna pour it over our enchiladas like this. Man, that looks good. Whew. I can already tell what this is gonna be about right here. We're gonna take some aluminum foil. We're gonna cover that baby up. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And we're gonna put this in the oven and let it bake for 25 minutes. After that 25 minutes, we're gonna pull it off, remove the foil, and bake it for another 10 minutes, all right? Let's get it in the oven. All right, so we're 25 minutes in. We're gonna remove our foil. Ooh, take a look at that. We're gonna put this back in the oven for an additional 10 minutes, uncovered, and then we're gonna come back. All right, guys, after our last 10 minutes, this is what we have. Only thing you have to do now is get this baby plated up. I wish I had some of that green stuff. I don't know what my issue is. I didn't have no green stuff today on hand, but that green would have made that color pop. But we're gonna go ahead and get this baby plated up, and we're gonna jump into quality control. There you have it, breakfast enchiladas with sausage gravy. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. We're gonna go ahead and jump into quality control because it's breakfast time still for me, so we can give it a taste test. All right, so it's quality control time, man. We gotta bring these breakfast burritos to the front of the congregation, man. Get that baby focused in. Whew. Man, this baby looks so gravy-y. Oh man. Man, that audible with them hash browns, I already know, changed the game. I'm gonna make sure it ain't hot. Oh man. Oh man. I think we got something here, people. I can't stop eating. I get because it's breakfast time. Oh man. And also guys, before I go, my new cookbook is out. Still Not a Chef. Link in the video description. Listen, you want to pick this book up. I've got none but positive reviews about it. So until then, y'all already know I am. All wings, everything. And remember, I'm not a chef. I'm just cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace. Man, sausagey again.